no tuaj had she no what's it that's bella tongchi no tongchi tu giải à tu thì ó thì làm bây giờ xem liền ha tu thì ó thì con chênh we used to live together way back in Sacramento but then put Chile so and now we're here in Spartanburg so we do all internship look at the church we get to see him again so he still remember us recognize us so it's good to see him again and it's good to see he's doing ministry becoming a pastor so it's good to see that kids growing up and having a passion to be a pastor so it's good and bên trong sáng thì món đồ tôi chỉ biết nói uake they could you more actually nothing special it's just they all in khano but now she say just when I have to then she talk about so các tôi lu ta trong town tôi sẽ like so yeah so it's good to see you and bên nào mau kia sẽ rồi sáng cái tao chỉ gặp ha and you have thing you want to say.
Yeah, I have a little bit. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys. It's been a long time, very long time. It's almost been 10 years since we left. It was like 2012, so it's almost been almost 10 years now. So yeah, I'm so happy just to be back with you guys. When I first met you guys, it was like, I remember these two guys, but I was like, no, I'm not sure. But I was talking to Sifu David. I was like, yeah, I know them. Let me go talk to them after church. I went to go talk to them, and it was actually you guys. You know, I was very surprised that you guys came down here because I thought you guys were still in Sacramento. And so when I sent the photos back to my parents and my siblings, they're all like, "Yo, what? They're down there? I thought they're still in Cali." So they're very surprised too, and they're very very happy to see that I was able to reunite with you guys. But yeah, again, thank you guys for inviting me over. Hopefully, we'll continue to do more despite the COVID. I know that with that too, a lot of things were not able to be planned, a lot of things we're not able to do. So, but with that, it's okay. I think most of the time, these are the most important times where we can be more intentional with one another. So, thank you guys for inviting me, and hopefully we can have more in the future.
Yeah. Okay. So, anyone else want to say anything before we pray and have dinner? No.
I don't think y'all remember me, huh? Y'all only remember my sister.
Yeah, they all remember Honey. Okay, so this is all of us, except for our oldest daughter. She's still in Sacramento. So this is the rest of us. So let's pray, and then we'll go and have dinner. Okay, so let's pray. Okay. Vanci per insieme caccia vanci, caccia capoluccia cho pe vanci, ye lu sha ke jo vanci, capucho pe sot la nji tse na kan jo. Capucho pe mon chana cha hao inu no so la go lu si lu cho vanci pe caccia vanci. E vanci ma no ye in ma ke special ke ya go ching ni ye itu tu ke ka chu lu vanci lu ka te vanci ni vanci ka cha ke chen ha pa chu ne ko ni chi tse na kan jo. As we continue on with our ministry, as we continue on with our what to say about you, so about you, just sibling and family, so to Wisconsin about you. It's been a while since we see them too about you. We share a bill, look at chocolate, push a bit of blood, no get to know about you. Young children, you're about you, and go to put them along, spin about you. Go back to the bin of that, you get to share. Bên nào ta là bên sẽ chỉ luôn thì mình phải làm gì, còn bên nào ta là bên mà cái nào cái họ bên nào chỉ tu thì mình phải làm gì, họ bên nào giải làm gì, bên sau đó sẽ bên nào là nó chắc chắn là có cái chỉ số để thực hiện. Amen. Okay, mà nó biết chỉ mỗi chỉ nó chỉ muốn nothing special, mà nó chỉ là công trình, rồi mình sẽ bé rồi phải đó xin nữa, okay. Để nó ta cảm thấy phải nó là giờ con chênh. It's been a while. Lu lại cái thứ chỉ bao nhiêu lại. Để con chênh để This is just our son.
The juicer over here. Condiments are right here. Maybe that's too much.
And the corner. It do that tile be like the all the hand is an edge tile and the big yellow knots.
Yours. Could you put whatever you like?
Where everybody go? Everybody go back. Kyo, Aiden, Celicia. Tụi bỏi giàu nữa, tụi tuôn cha ha, tuôn dày ở tụi ta tận phải đó, nó rồi cái cờ này ha, nọt lên.
Do you understand what Dad just said? No?
No. Này con chinh là nó, bố con chỉ tao có được vấn đề để con nọ vấn đề nữa. Cái lá tu. Ok, nó biết là nó phải nữa. Tu yang này tu nó tăng lại. Chỉ bây giờ nhau tất cả. Bây giờ nó chỉ nhau tất cả sẽ bị organi sao. Okay, this is everybody here who are missing. So, everybody's here. No Precious, Kayla, Lu, Alicia, Ellen, Kyo, Koob Tsheej, Ajay, Issy. This is everybody. Ok, thay nó solo cái mà này xin chỉ biết luôn đấy. Đây là những món nọ ha. Còn chơi tập tay nó là ha, cũng chỉ món nọ ăn chơi này lần đầu tôi lại nó sẽ tăng lại.
You see him?